Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Last time I asked you this, it's been months, and we gained so many new subscribers to our family, so I'm gonna do it again. What I need you to do, if you really want to learn telekinesis, you have to answer a few questions for me. I need to get to know you a little better, because obviously you know me, but I don't know anything about you. And in order to teach telekinesis properly, I need to know certain things. I have 4 or 5 questions, so watch till the end of the video before you write the answers in the comments. Or you can start writing while you watch the video, but just send the comment, click on comment or post, whatever it's called, after the video is done, so I have all of the answers, not just the first few. Let's begin. My first question is, how old are you? Are you in my age, in your 30s, or young, around 12 or 20? Just let me know, because then I know better how to communicate my lessons. Second question, which country are you from? You don't have to say the city, but which country? And also, what language do you speak? Is English your first language, your second language, or maybe you don't speak English at all? Let me know, because I have many people asking for subtitles in different languages, but that's not easy for me because I don't speak many languages. I speak only 4. The next question is, what do you like to do for fun besides telekinesis? Do you like to play football, or do you like to play baseball, or you like to read, or you like to play the guitar? What do you like to do for fun? Next question. What is your favorite meal? Your favorite dish? What do you like to eat most? I know it might sound absurd, but it is very important what you eat in order to do telekinesis. Me personally, I have a very strict diet, which helps me with my telekinetic powers. And now, the last question. How many hours a week do you practice telekinesis? As practice counts meditation, actually doing telekinesis, or consuming content like this video and telekinesis. All this time summed up, how many hours a week do you practice telekinesis? And another little question, how many hours a week do you work? And are you okay financially, or do you struggle? I talked about money in many of my videos, and I told you how important finances are. So, just answer all the questions you are comfortable with answering. I don't need any details, like how much money you make, or what is your real name, or which city you're from, or what your phone number is. I don't want any of these things in the comments. It's dangerous to share personal information like that with strangers or with the public. Okay? So keep that in mind when you post your comment. So thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much for letting me getting to know you. It's really helpful for me in order to teach you telekinesis.